In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Dutch lace braids, and I will also show you 4 easy hairstyles that use Dutch lace braids as a base. The first one is the 2 Dutch lace braids lying on loose hair. The second one is a variation of that. The third one is the one Sansa Stark wore in a lot of season 1, including the pilot, the first episode. The third one is the hairstyle young Lyanna Stark wore in the 6th season of Game of Thrones, when we saw her through Bran's visions. So first of all, brush the hair really well, then create a center part division line from the forehead to the top of the head. Then create another parting line following the arch of the eyebrow, and I like using the combs with spiky end because that allows to make the sections really neat. And make sure the division line is a little bit reclining to the side, thus your segment is a bit triangular. Do the same on the other side, so do a parting following the arch of the eyebrow, and put the section away in temporary ponytail. Put the big chunk of hair away in temporary ponytail, and let's start using one of our triangular segments to create our first Dutch lace braid. So first of all, take a small section of hair, divide it into 3 equal strands, and plait it just once by putting side strands under the middle. And then we'll continue braiding by adding small pieces of hair to the side strand that is closest to the center part, and the side strand on the other side we will just put under the middle one. So let us do it again. So take a small section of hair. So take a small section of hair, add it to the side strand that is next to the middle of the head and your center part division line, and put that side strand with the newly added hair under the middle strand. And on the other side, just put the side strand under the middle one. Now again, as you're about to put the side strand closest to the middle of your head, closest to the center part, add the small section of hair to it, and then put it all under the middle strand. On the other side, just put the side strand under the middle. Once you've run out of the pieces of hair to add, continue plaiting an inverted English common braid. So basically put the side strands under the middle. And at the end, plait it all the way down, and at the end just secure it with an elastic. Now let's repeat the same thing on the other side, and it's good to see this again. So we start by taking a small section of hair close to the forehead, divide it into 3 equal strands, and start plaiting by putting side strands under the middle. After we've done it just once, we continue plaiting, only we add small pieces of hair to the side strand that is closest to the middle of the head, to our center division line, and the other side strand we just put under the middle. So take small section of hair, add it to the side strand closest to the middle of the head, put it under the middle strand, and on the other side just put the side strand under the middle strand. Continue in this way until you've run out of the pieces of hair to add, and then just continue plaiting by putting the side strands under the middle. So it is quite easy once you've tried it a few times, because we'll use these Dutch lace braids for one of Sansa Stark hairstyle later on in this video. I'm making the sections of hair that I add to the side strand very fine and very thin. So now we have our 2 plaits. Release the big chunk of hair and brush the loose hair again, and just let your 2 plaits lie loosely on the loose hair, and it looks very pretty. It's a very simple hairstyle and it's very nice. To make your second hairstyle, take your two plaits and secure them together right at the very end. First, you have this triangular or arrow-like shape made of these two plaits, and they lie loosely on the hair, and it's very nice. To recreate Sansa Stark hairstyle, take your two braids and just wrap them around each other. And this is the hairstyle that is iconic to the North, to House Stark, and Sansa Stark wore it a lot in the first episode. It's very nice, very simple, and it's brilliant. So for your next hairstyle, unplait your plaits up to the point of where you stopped adding the pieces of hair. So here I'm showing it on the other one. So I'm unplaiting it. And then when you have 6 strands of hair in your hand, turn them into 3 strands. So basically the 2 side strands which are closest to each other will join together and make a middle strand, and the remaining 2 strands of each plait will be used to make the side strands. So we have our 3 strands and we plait it into a inverted common English braid, so basically putting the side strands under the middle, and continue to do so all the way down, and then secure it all with an elastic. And so this is your young Lyanna hairstyle that we saw in the 6th season of Game of Thrones when we traveled in time with Bran. So these are the 4 hairstyles: the 2 strands on the loose hair, 2 strands joined at the end, Sansa Stark first season hairstyle, and young Lyanna's hairstyle from season 6.